Good morning, all traders and investors. This is Jeff Kilian, Chief Market Strategist for the InsideTechnician.com. We are looking at a 1-minute real-time chart of the S&P 500 mini futures, near month being traded September 2013. Market's just opened, and we have a resistance level that's laid out at 1659.50, looking to get through that level in real time at a minimum of 1659.75 with a lot of volume in order to be long. The bias for the trade at this time is long based on the 15-minute indicator setup. We are crossing through here right now at this time, and we are now in this trade for 30 contracts to the long side with a reasonable stop to the downside, filled at 1660 even. Yes, I got it. 1660, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bias is to the long side. We have had a trading range on the daily charts that had been set up. We talked about on last night's Nightly Market Intelligence report. As we look at the resistance level that was laid out on the 15-minute charts here, okay, as by this point, our price profit target is a clear 1662.50 right here, as determined by this previous right-hand side of this double top. Here, we had the EMAs that had already crossed earlier on, and here, positive check and money flow from longer-term perspective, short-term trend line violation on money flow index, all 15-minute real-time charts, looking for the market to trade up to the price profit target and get out on a rally. There we have the current price trading at 1660.25, 1660.50. Our initial probe is positive here, looking to get to the price profit target for a long trade in real time. S&P 500 E-mini futures, September 2013, near month being traded. Just short of 1662 there on the initial push. Still positive on the 15-minute charts here across the board. Positive on the short-term money flow index. Positive MACD pre-cross. Volume positive on the 1-minute chart right on market opening. Real-time long trade, S&P 500 mini futures, 30 contracts, right in at market opening this morning. We were filled at 1660 even, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard for 30 contracts. Price profit target laid out, 1662.50. Looking to get out at that price point on a rally. If prices continue to trade up with a lot of strength, we will proceed to stay in the trade. Yeah, I got it, 1661.25. Trading up. 1661.25 after the initial thrust in market opening with a high 1661.75 so far. And we have some more movement again. Time is now 9:35 a.m. Eastern Standard. Positive money flow index, 15-minute chart, real-time mark to the market price is trading 1661.25. Stable. Momentum is to the upside. Here we go. 1661.50, 1661.75, the high for this bar. Looking to get to 1662.50 on a rally. Get out. 1661.75. Here we go, 1662. And we're moving. Real-time trade taken by myself, Jeff Kilian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician here. This is the S&P 500 E-mini futures in real time. 1-minute chart you're viewing right now. Year, month, September 2013. We're at 1662 for the high price so far in the open equity session. Pre-established price profit target is 1662.50. We're just about there. Here we have it. 1662. 1662, looking for 1662.50. Back to the 1-minute chart, getting closer all the time to 1662.50 on a rally. $15-minute charts are still positive across the board, even though the 1-minute bar is currently trading down. 15-minute charts will dominate the 1-minute chart from the overall strength of the trade as managed in real time. Mark to the market trading 1661.75. Time is 9:38 a.m. Eastern Standard. Let's take a moment and hear where the initial thrust was strong and getting through the resistance level at 1659.50 and 1660, being the end after quarter point above 1669.50, 1669.75, 1660.50 was the fill. Prices should continue to trade up as we have a short-term settling down right after the markets open. The time is 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard. We're managing the trade in real time. The S&P 500 E-mini futures by our end here at the InsideTechnician.com. Fifteen-minute indicators are still all positive. The initial opening volume is not as intense as I would prefer it to be. That can change at any moment with a large amount of smart money accumulation coming in. Yeah, momentum is still positive. We got very, very close to 1660.50, the original price profit target. Small retracement here to the downside on prices after hitting here the high 1 minute bar at 937 right here. That high price played out was 1662.25, so just a quarter point short of the end goal for the initial price profit target. Price trading up again now. A little bit here, 1661.25, 1661.50. Managing the trade in real time. We're still positive, 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 positive. Okay, we have higher possibilities of getting out of this trade. If the 1 minute chart continues to trade down, take an acceptable loss at a point or a point and a quarter below the yen. But where prices may find the 1660 level or 1659.50 level and then start to trade back up again, that's a risk I'd be willing to take in order to see how the participation changes right after the first 15-minute bar is completed at 9:45 a.m. If we have substantial smart money coming and these prices get turned right back around and trade up sharply and even trade right through 1662.50 to a higher level. Now trading up 1662. 1661.75, 1662 on the 1 minute bar. We'll be ending the 9:45. There we are. Right about now. Let's take a look at 15-minute charts. Starting to fall off a little bit momentum here on the 1 minute charts compared to, you might want to get out of this to 1661.75, 1662 to lock in. Here we go, 1662, and that appears to be the area at this time. To possibly lock in a profit, 1661.75, 1662. Get a lot of volume that comes in. We could blow right through 1662 and get up to 1662.50 on that rally for that price. Here we are, 1662. I'm looking at 1662 for the out. That's it, 1662. Even. 947. Yep, I see it. Yep, I see it. I'm aware. We have short-term money flow, which has fallen off on 15-minute charts. I decided to lock it in for 30 contracts. Okay, traders and investors, that's it for today. We have locked in 2 points on the S&P E-mini futures. We were out right here at 947. Just to run it down here. The prices did get to 1662.50 right here, but where the short-term money flow indicators in the 15-minute charts had turned somewhat negative, I decided to lock in a profit and eliminate the risk, the open risk, with the lack of smart money participation in the first 15 minutes to push these prices through, especially the first 1 minute bar of the new 15-minute bar formation. And this is the way it's gone today. Let's get this in here real quick. That was 1662 even. Yeah, I've got the sheet right here. Right. 947. So there we have it. We have a net gain on this trade for 2 points. Times $50 for every full point move is $100 gain per contract, times 30 contracts that were traded today. Brought in $3,000 to us at the inside technician with a nice, excuse me, with a nice short hold time here as well. So this trade went very well for us today, and this is exactly what we teach here in all our S&P 500 E-mini course material that is available to you and the executive mentorship program, specifically with myself. We'll see you again on the next nightly market intelligence report and on the next E-mini real-time presentation.